Your diesel particulate filter, or DPF, is vital for reducing harmful emissions, but over time it can clog with soot, triggering warning lights and reduced performance. Many drivers think this means costly replacements, but not at MB Motors. We specialize in professional DPF cleaning that restores function and saves you money. Our advanced cleaning process removes stubborn buildup, improves engine performance, and helps you pass your MOT. Whether your DPF is partially blocked or completely restricted, we'll assess the condition and recommend the best solution. Our team understands diesel systems inside out, and we don't cut corners. We'll clean, test, and reset everything correctly, ensuring your vehicle runs clean and smooth again. Come to MB Motors for expert DPF diagnostics and cleaning. It's fast, effective, and a fraction of the cost of a new filter. Trust us to get it right.